Happy Thursday, Divine Kings and Divine Queens. Divine Jam Queen in the building. What's in your pot? I got some red rice and beans, baked macaroni and cheese, jerk turkey, and jerk chicken. I pray everybody's having a blessed Thursday. Love and light, prosperity, abundance to all. And don't forget, I love you. But the Most High God, He loves us so much. I'm making platters. Hit me up in the comment if you want a platter. $10. God bless. It's looking yummy. Yummy, yummy. Thank God.